Hi friends, this is a short video I am posting for you to give a bit information about past life regression, as many people keep asking me about this. Yes, I do past life regression sessions, and if you are interested, first of all you have to be clear about what actually it is. And first of all, it is very safe, and you will not be getting any bad feelings or any giddy feelings after it. But yes, bad feelings exactly, not because of the session. It won't be frightening, it won't be anything that will freak you out. But yes, past life regression, you will be seeing your past life. So, and it's up to it depends whether it's a good past life or it's a bad past life. It's usually people see very traumatic lives and troublesome lives, and that is why they feel like crying, and they feel overwhelmed by their experience, and so that is totally normal. So you have to be prepared for it if you are planning to go for a past life regression. And what else is it is safe. Many people ask me that will I be able to come back into my present life. So yes, it is totally safe. You can surely go into your past life and come back safely during the regression. And what something else also I would like to share is people feel that past life regression, after going through a regression, their troubles might decrease, their problems will just disappear. This is not actually the case. The updates which I usually update for my past life regression, or maybe for the offers or discounts or anything else, get usually are followed up by many questions from people. So they just want to know. And the past life regression is actually what happens during a regression is a person goes deep into the states of mind, and everything is stored in your mind, and from there you go into your past life. And from your past life you're able to view events about your past life, it may be good or bad. And it directly it has an effect on your current life, mind and body, because your mind is connected to that past life. So it's because the same soul that is coming from that life, so that is why your current life body will be connected. And you might there might be catharsis that might be visible on the current life body. And what happens is, when a person goes into a past life and sees something troublesome or problematic in their past lives, so the emotional trauma that a person feels during that lifetime, that is surely carried during this lifetime. And the problem is that because the trauma is not cleared off, there is something missing, kind of felt inside a person's mind, or anything you can say. So the person going through past life problems, some if the past life is affecting their current life, so they might be facing problems where they don't feel what they did to get into such kind of problems, because there may be very difficult times a person sees problems in major areas. And that actually these problems not always point out that there is a past life issue. But yes, there might be a past life issue. And you should feel it inside that there is something or the other karmic that is wrong with you, and that is why you are facing these problems. So if you at all feel that you need a past life regression, you might be going through a karmic time, or you need to know something in your past life, why what you did to go through all these sufferings. So if you have all these questions inside you, then I would advise that you go for a past life regression session. And what else I would like to tell is, people usually feel that going through with a session, then the troubles may disappear. I say that emotional blockages will be cleared. So that means that when you don't know why you are suffering, a person, the karmas can never be cleared. Karmas always have to be cleared by paying for them. but the emotional blockage is, the more the person doesn't know why he's suffering, the more is the complaint factor inside him. He will feel, oh, what I did to go through all this, and the day by day the suffering increases. That person has that question more and more, getting rigid inside their mind. So this is when that answer, when you get the answer why you are suffering, that actually entire suffering, that suffering, that actually the weight, that why you are suffering, what I can term is that trauma, or whatever you say, the darkest way you can name it. So that is, that actually disappears. Suffering might still continue, if you have a bit more karmas to pay off, but the emotional charge is released. So when the emotional charge is released, then you still have those problems, but you stop suffering. So that is a bit of, something good that everybody would like to feel, who are going through such a traumatic time that is they are experiencing due to their past lives. So first thing, remember one thing is, if you are going through a tough time, and you feel that you did not do anything bad in this lifetime to get all these to go through all these kinds of events, then surely there is something from your past coming into affecting your current life. And this is the big main reason. So if you feel very sure about this, then you can go for a past life. There is another something more also. If you don't have anything like this, any problematic thing or any troubles, or sort of, and if you still feel that, you are excited, you have that itch inside you to see a past life, that, oh wow, let me see what I was doing in my past life, let me know, what I can, who all were there in my past life with me. So such people, if you have that itch, then too you can go with past life regression. Session would be the same. And what I can say, you can go through, if you don't have anything bad, then you can just go through good experiences of your past life to help you, get to know how good you were in your past life, and maybe you can bring some good memories into your current life. So this is what I need to say about the past life regression. So if you would like to get a past life regression with me, it you can just go to my site, tarot-angel-reading.com. It's pretty much the same. If you had watched my videos earlier, I had shared my website name there too. So I guess you can go to that website, and it surely is placed in the description part, that the name of my website and all. So there you can find my website name, and you can order to get this past life session with me. It can be done through phone or Skype. Anybody in India or outside India are welcome to have this session. Just let me get this session, and then just drop me a mail what time slots are comfortable for you, and just try to make sure that you give me 2 to 3 different time slots, so that I can figure out which one is suitable for me, because I'm sometimes a certain time slots might not be available for you. So okay, so just send me a mail regarding that. And what else, it would be a session of around 45 minutes to 60 minutes. And yes, you might go through, you might start crying, you might feel bad, and you might go through such time, and you might also feel energized if you are seeing a good past life, and you might feel energized, and you might feel very much motivated, very much spiritually empowered. So it just depends on your past life. I cannot guarantee whether what experiences I shared out during just now you would be having the same experiences, because everybody is unique and everybody has different experiences. So I can't promise whether what kind of experiences you will have. But if you have a troublesome time, I'm sure there would be a past life that has some troubles or such kind of events going through it, which you need to see in this life. And if you don't have any issues, and you just have that itch to go through a past life, then the past life might be good, and you might have good experience. You might need to know something you might have to collect some information from that life. So that is it. We'll be soon next time sharing some other insightful articles, and hope to see you hope to see you soon on my upcoming videos. I would like that you subscribe to my channel if you like the kind of information I share on my videos. I would also like you to subscribe to my website tarot-angel-reading.com, as I share a lot of insightful articles once a month. I won't be bombarding you with more emails. That is because I just like to share just one email a month, and I make sure that I give good articles, and plus there is offers too, for which you can go for if you find they might help you at this time. So what else? We'll see you next time with another video of mine. I'll be sure coming up with more videos. So until then, bye bye. Love you all. Take care. Bye. I'm just getting happy by this idea of sharing this information for you. So, okay. Bye. Love you guys.